Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to blur a face in a video using DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you need to protect someone's identity in your footage or comply with privacy requirements. Let's jump right in and get this done. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once it loads up, you'll see your project interface with several tabs along the bottom of the screen. What we need to do is click on the Color tab at the bottom. This takes you into DaVinci Resolve's powerful color grading workspace, which also happens to be where we can apply effects like blurring. Now that you're in the color workspace, look for the Builder tool panel. Within this panel, you'll see a window icon. Click on it to open the window options. Once that opens, you'll see different shape choices available. Go ahead and click on Circle. This circle shape is what we'll use to isolate the face area that needs to be blurred. Next, position this circle directly over the face you want to blur in your video. You can adjust the size and position of the circle to make sure it covers the entire face properly. Take your time with this step to ensure the face is completely within the circle, as this determines what area will receive the blur effect. Once your circle is positioned correctly, it's time to make it follow the face as it moves throughout the video. Click on the tracker icon to open the tracking options. This is a crucial feature because faces rarely stay perfectly still in video footage. The tracker will automatically follow the movement. With the tracker panel open, click the play icon to start the tracking process. DaVinci Resolve will now analyze your footage and track the face movement frame by frame. Depending on the length and complexity of your clip, this might take a few moments, so just let it run and be patient while it processes everything. Once the tracking is complete, now we can actually apply the blur effect. Click on the blur icon in your workspace. This activates the blur effect specifically on the circular area you created and tracked. Finally, you'll need to adjust the intensity of the blur. Look for the radius setting and increase it until you achieve the level of blur you want. The higher the radius value, the more blurred the face will become. Keep adjusting until the face is sufficiently obscured for your needs. And that's it. You've successfully blurred a face in your video using DaVinci Resolve, making your footage privacy compliant and ready to share. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.